target trades, power trigger trade.
But I got an important, great message and video that explains the importance of grinding with skill in the markets. Now, this Tesla win wasn't anything big, but the grinding with skill is still what you need to do in order to succeed long term. So this is about grinding with skill, and also I'm going to show you about GME and the power of grinding with skill. Even though we didn't catch it, we were inside of it, and it led to gains that are life-changing. And that's the whole purpose of grinding with skill. It's to catch the real winners. And my system does that year over year, but you have to grind with skill. If you're not able to follow instructions, you're going to stay in the losing positions. You will never succeed and never catch big wins. You'll be more like in the baby stage, baby scalper stage. So again, if you're serious for success, you should really listen to this video very carefully and do what I explain in this video if you want to get inside my group, because I can't help you unless you're willing to follow instructions and study and have faith in what we're doing. The people who succeed, they do that, right? And I'm only going to keep those people. If it's a group of 5 or 6 or 10 or whatever it is, it doesn't matter. If you're not growing with me, what's the point of being in my group, right? You can't succeed unless you grind with skill. I can tell you that with a certainty. Then you need to do your own study and think of what I'm saying. Now, that being said, our last win the newest win in Tesla, I posted the plan May the 20th. Pre-market update Tesla, we have a high odds set up via the rules for Tesla. So here's the new plan. We are going into the action. We're going into the action is correct. And so we will look for confirmation today based on this plan. So on May the 20th, as you can see, pre-market update. Before the market opened, I posted this plan. Tesla high odds, this can test back to 700 on the low end. The May 28, 610 calls is what we'll use. Tesla needs to break above 585 for us to enter into it. Now, as you can see, at the time on May the 19th, that's what this chart's based on, because this was on the weekend, the 610 calls closed at 450 per option. Now, let's see what I said. Well, we didn't pay that, of course. Let's see what we had to pay on confirmation. It was practically 100% more, but let me show you. But did it matter? No. So let's go and visit this. Did we get what we expected? No. But we ground with skill. It's a market. You have to understand it. All right then. So, based on what I was saying, Tesla, I told what to do, which we use buy stops a lot. Tesla placing buy stops at 860 for the May 28, 610 calls. You saw that on the chart, that was basically 100% increase in the options for it to trigger, because it's based on rules. I know what we need has to happen before the odds are in our favor. May the 20th, Tesla confirming with the May 28, 610 calls at 895. Okay, practically a 100% increase in the options to make gains. Again, manage this step by step. We did sell. I'm going to go to the sell where we sold this, and we didn't win in the runners. There was a break even in the runners practically. Okay, but again, I had a winner in Tesla with the same method, same things, 2K to 27K. It's the same mindset. Listen, people, it's a grind with skill. It's not a week-to-week or day-to-day winning in there. It's about how can you catch big wins year over year. And that's what we do, and that's what my channel shows. So if you're serious for success, study what I'm telling you. Okay? I can't help you if you're not going to follow rules. A lot of people, I kick them out, boom, because they can't follow rules. You can't make any money. What's the point of being in a group? Ask a woman has been in my group since 2019, is making tons of men look like crybaby losers because she can follow rules and they cannot. It's as simple as that. And that's just an example. The people who are successful, who follow the rules, they do very well. Think about that. Put that in your brains, in your head. Think. Think about what I'm telling you. Because there's a lot of mindset involved in this too as well. But a lot of skill. Skill always wins in the end. I'll tell you this 1,000 times. Skill always wins in the end. May 21, Tesla options. May 28, 610 calls are at 1235, as Tesla is at 597. To get 100%, we just need 16. Should get it at 610 to 6. Anyways, basically, I'm planning of when we're going to sell at least 50%. Okay, I actually didn't sell 50%. I sell a little less than that. I'm going to show you what happened. So here, Tesla just confirmed the end because Tesla was chopping on May 21st, right? So again, I explain the facts. I give the updates, right? Listen to me. We win all step by step. But if you can follow instructions, then you will be in your loser ways, right? If you cannot produce the gains that I show on my YouTube channel on your own, then you need to follow instructions. If you can do it on your own, you don't need my group. Good luck to you. Because I don't think you ever will catch gains in Tesla with options 2K to 27K ever in your lifetime. Because you don't have the skills for that. I do though. And we've had plenty of big wins in Tesla. I want you to think about that. That's why I make the YouTube channel, to help those few that are serious for success. Most people are losers anyways. They don't have the mindset. I tell it straight. I tell it how it is. Tesla just reconfirmed 3 times now. What am I saying? I'm saying, because we weren't making, it's doing it again. I'm not in Tesla for baby gains. It's about catching the big wins. So this plan is about, so basically what I'm trying to explain to people is that that's the whole purpose of it, right? We're going to make sometimes smaller gains. That's okay. But it's the big wins that really puts you forward, that helps you catch more big wins. It also helps you manage the losses, and the losses are small compared to the wins. But it's a grind with skill. If anybody tells you that there's no losses, they got something wrong in their mind, right? Because it's not possible. It's in market. However, when you grind with skill, you always win in the end. If that wasn't true, I wouldn't be here, and I wouldn't be getting so many great gifts from those who do listen to the big picture leader. So Tesla was going against us. As you can see here, Tesla, right now our options are at 680 as Tesla. We had to hold this via the rules. Again, a lot of people don't know how to hold things. It's a confirmed trade, and what I do requires rules. Okay? If the market was easy, everyone would succeed, but a lot of people do not have the skill on how to really catch wins. If I didn't use skill, I would have lost in this Tesla trade. I would have lost, for sure. So, this was a grind, okay? But I want to show you the outcome of this grind with skill. Sometimes trades are going to be very smooth, and sometimes they're going to be tough. But I'm going to show you that holding the right moves, especially if we had done that with GME, I put more focus on Tesla. The big wins, the gains do never compare to the losses. The losses are baby stuff. So on May 21, the stops held even at 520. I held, right? I held. It was down about 7K. So here it is, May 24th, Tesla. I think that if they build this above 580 to 577 today and get over 587 is key, and then over 590 is much better. So basically, I had the stops at 4.0, okay, which gave it more room than that 597. and it held by about 40 cents. 40 cents. May 24th, Tesla, so far so good. As I explained, it does not take much for this to move and get back on track. And we are back on track when it comes to the rules on how the stock is moving. It is following the rules. It's just being much tougher this time and required much more work to catch the wins. Exactly the facts. Another message I said, but to catch this Tesla win means a lot to me. In the big picture of things, as this has many signals confirmed, but this takes a much more involved mindset and rules to win this now, as we all just witnessed. But this sure looks very good now. Options are back to what we paid. So basically, because we held, now we are back to what we paid. Tesla options in the green now, over 598. That was May 24th. Our minds are too weak and dummy, but the rules just showed us once again that if we grind with skill, we can do things most cannot do. But it does take the right mindset. Everybody wants the money. Well, if it was easy, everyone would have it, but most will just lose it to the markets anyway. And that is a fact, I guarantee you. Without the right mindset, the right skills, the right way of doing things, which most people have no clue in really doing. You don't have a prayer in the market. And you're better off with a leader than on your own as well. You will never be able to beat how I do things in this group or on my YouTube channel. I assure you that. That is the message I'm telling you right now. So, if I were you, I would study my YouTube channel. Anyways. We've been in GME, right? Massive winner. But we're not talking about GME. Tesla playing well again on our calls now at 11 at 6:03. We will wait still for 100% before 750% unless I change my mind. Okay? Our options at 13 as Tesla 608.40. Here's what I said. I was down 7K on Friday in Tesla. But following the rules, I am now up 7K. Do you see how this requires a different mindset? I go 18 calls in Tesla. 18. Why? Because of all the big wins I had in it. This company I made crazy gains. 300K in options. You know what I'm doing? Better in options is very hard. Very hard. But it's a mindset. You've got to study the skill. If I don't follow my rules, it's detrimental to success. And if you can't follow my rules, it's detrimental to your success as well. All right then. Tesla, well, I'm up 9.6K now, more than the loss on Friday. Anyways, I didn't get as much as I wanted though, but it felt like I had won 15K from from holding, and because of holding. I can't tell you how much rules saved the day versus not. I can't tell you that, and that's a skill. Tesla, look at the sell at 615 or higher. We now need to base above 607. I just sold 3 of my calls at 15.30, holding 15 options, looking to sell the other 6 at 16 or higher. Going to trade Tesla a little different since I got in much bigger before it was 12 calls, now 18 to 24. Still a nice 1.8K in gains, not bad. I mean, there was a 7K loss to 1.8K on just 3 options, by the way. So 1.8K gains on 3 options, okay? Then I sold 4 more at 15.80 for the May 16 call, now holding 11 runners. Okay, so that's basically what happened. I sold, and then basically small losses on the runners, trying to hold for bigger gains. It didn't happen, and then made a new plan for Tesla. All right, so we're going to go to the chart. So you can see here on the 20th, we got in this, suffered on Friday, put a stop on Monday. That's the 24th, right? Held just by a little bit into a great winner. Got stopped out this day. Right? All right then. Let's go to the options chart so I illustrate some more information. All right, so here's the May 28, 610 calls. Now, we're not in these, okay? But here on the Friday, you can see, look at the box. There's an arrow that shows you the box. So I'm going to read the numbers. The open on was 1186, high 1169, low 540, close 560. Low 420, actually by 20 cents. Okay. Remember what I said the stops were? 4.00, okay, on Monday. Where did we close? What was the high? 1597. Where did I sell some of my options? 1560 to was it 1460? 14 between 14. I think we have 15 to 1560. Okay, but just about 7 of them got stopped out on this day here, and as you can see today, those same options are $1,400. Okay, can you imagine that? If you're not grinding with skill, you don't have a prayer to succeed in the markets. When my stuff confirms, it's like a magic, okay? But it requires a mindset of holding. If trading was easy, everyone would succeed. But no one can do it as well as Power Trigger Trade. And if you don't follow my instructions and rules and grind with skill, you won't have a prayer to succeed in the market. No way. Not like we do. Anyways, you can't succeed because you are in the failure mode. You don't know how to get into plans. You don't know how to hold plans. You don't know how to do nothing. How many people fail to win because they lack the mental mindset to win? I give it all. I give the mindset, the motivation, the confidence to do everything. Study and listen to my words. It's all on my channel. But people are too dumb to understand this. Welcome to Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. On this page, you're going to find my YouTube channel. Click on it and subscribe to it. You're going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Also, this pinned tweet, it explains how to become a member. Listen to me. If you're not going to listen to instructions or follow what I'm saying, you're not getting in my group. You're not going to do me any good, or you. Listen, if you can't make any money for yourself, okay, my group's free, right? People send me gifts because they make money. If you can't make money because you can't follow rules, what good are you to me? You're not any good to me. And you're not any good to yourself. So you're going to stay a broke market clown. Right? I'm telling you to study because I'm mentally telling you to think about you are the mental problem. You are the problem. Not me. You. I kick people out because they suck. They don't follow rules. What good are they to me if they can't make any money? Missing huge wins in GME, for example. Study the facts on my YouTube channel. That's why I do this. I already know most people are going to fail. I already know this. I'm looking to help that one person who could become very successful in my group, that can contribute, like an Ash, like a Bruce, like a David, that you'll find them littered. You're going to find all those great messages from people who do follow my instructions. I am your leader. That's why you want to be in my group. You don't know how to trade better than I do. If you know how to trade better, then good luck to you, sir. If you can beat what I'm doing on my YouTube channel, study those facts. If you can do what I'm doing, then you don't need me. But if you can't make huge gains in the market consistently year after year, then you need to be inside my group, Power Group Trades, and I will know if you're going to be good or not by how you follow instructions. It's very simple. That being said, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.